A wave traveling in the positive x direction having displacement along y direction as 1 meter, wavelength as 2 pi meter and frequency as 1 by pi hertz is represented by which of the following equation? This problem involves the displacement equation of a progressive wave traveling in the positive x direction. The displacement of a wave traveling in the positive x direction is given by y is equal to sine of kx minus omega t, where k is 2 pi by lambda, it is a wave number, and omega is 2 pi f, it is the angular frequency, and lambda is the wavelength and f is the frequency. We are given that the displacement is along y direction and wavelength lambda is 2 pi m and the frequency f is 1 by pi hertz. Let us calculate the number k. The wave number k is equal to 2 pi by lambda. Lambda is nothing but 2 pi which is given in the question. On substituting we get 2 pi by 2 pi which is nothing but 1 radians per minute. Now let us calculate angular frequency omega. The angular frequency is given by omega is equal to 2 pi f. But f we know as given in the question is 1 by pi. On substituting we get 2 pi into 1 by pi which is nothing but 2 radians per second. Let us substitute the values of k and omega in the wave equation. We get y is equal to sine of kx minus omega t is equal to sine of x minus 2t, where k is nothing but 1 and omega is 2. Therefore, we have the wave equation y is equal to sine of x minus 2t, option D as the answer.